Turning 40 can feel like a turning point for many women, hormonally, physically, and emotionally. Weight gain, stress, sleep issues, the list feels endless. But is age really the problem? Or is it how we've been thinking about fitness all along?
Never in my life I started fitness to lose weight. It was always and always for strength training.
So, what actually happens to a woman's body after 40? Hormones do shift, but experts say menopause alone isn't to blame.
Women after 40, first they go through perimenopause, and also, nowadays they also go through menopause. The reason is their past, bad lifestyle. And that's why they start getting all these disorders, as in weight gain or sleep or stress and other hormone imbalance.
And when weight gain starts, most women respond in the same way by chasing weight loss.
Most of the women, what happens that whenever you focus weight loss, what you get is disappointment. You never are happy when you focus on weight loss. So what I'm trying to tell my women is that, focus on strength. It is the age where you don't need to shrink yourself. It is the age where you don't need to get smaller. You need to get stronger.
Strength isn't just about appearance, it's about survival, longevity, and aging well.
Muscles is the real tool for anti-aging, and muscles is longevity. Muscles is your strength. Muscle is your, metabolism. So it is just the muscle that is the, purpose of whatever you do. Muscle is a tool to lose weight also. Once you start building up the muscle, you burn fat. Okay, so I tell everyone to focus on muscle, not focus on weight loss.
Another major issue with Indian women is nutrition.
They need to take care of their protein. It should be balanced diet, They should take fat. Fat doesn't make you fat. Most of the women, they don't eat well and they are scared of having carbs. They don't take protein well, especially when they are vegetarian. They are scared to take, additional protein. Dal is not the protein. Moong is not the protein, right? So they think, nahi, hum log chana khate hai na. So they don't take external protein, as in like we need to take paneer or tofu or maybe Greek yogurt, or these are the protein, So I think balanced diet is very, very important for everyone.
In fact, many women are unknowingly under-eating, weakening their bodies instead of fueling them. Experts say strength training often reveals something women never knew they had: confidence in their own bodies.
There are so many people who never ran in their life. There are so many people who never did push-ups in their life, and now they are doing push-ups. They are learning pull-ups and calisthenic, skills they are doing.
So what should every woman focus on, especially after 40?
There is no difference of what a woman would be working out or what a man would be working out. Stop worrying about your weight, start lifting weight or do strength training and just see what capacities your body has. And stop worrying about, what age you are. You can start working out at any age and you can work out till you die.
Aging isn't a curse, it's a chance. A chance to get stronger, a chance to move better, and a chance to finally discover what your body is capable of.
I really believe that, it's unfair to die without exploring the physical capacity that your body has.